Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Engineers Club. I hope all of you had a good examination on the last day for the post of Sub Assistant Engineer Civil in Kolkata Municipal Corporation. So I think all of you are looking for the answer key. So in this video, I will definitely help you to evaluate your examination and get prepared for the interview. So watch the video till the end of this video. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and like. So let's start the video. Question number 1. Dogleg stairs are option A half ton stairs, option B 3/4 ton stairs, option C quarter ton stairs, option D straight stairs. Here the correct answer is option A half ton stairs. Next question number 2. The type of window provided on the sloping side of a pitched roof is called option A gable window, option B narrower, option C dormer window, option D lantern. And the correct answer is option C dormer window. Next question number 3. Removal of parallax may be achieved by option A refocusing the eyepiece, option B none of these, option C refocusing the objective, option D refocusing the eyepiece and objective. Here the correct answer is option D refocusing the eyepiece and objective. Always remember, if you simultaneously refocus the eyepiece and objective, you can remove the parallax. Next question number 4. Two beams carrying identical load simply supported are having same depth, but beam A has double the width as compared to beam B. The ratio of the strength of beam A to that of beam B is, there are 4 options, you have to choose the correct answer. To calculate this, you have to know that the more the section modulus, more will be the strength. Between these two beam, which one is the more section modulus? That will be more strength. Then. Okay, so where is the section ratio of the section modulus? Ratio of the ZA by divided by ZB. So formula of section modulus 1 by 6 BD square. Here we have put 2B because the width of the beam A is double the width of the B. So if we divide this, answer will be 2. So the ratio of the strength of the two beam is 2. So the correct answer is option D 2. Next question number 5. The pressure of a liquid measured with the help of piezometer tube is option A vacuum pressure, option B atmospheric pressure, option C gauge pressure, option D absolute pressure. Which one is correct answer? Here the correct answer is option C gauge pressure. Next question number 6. The ratio of total elongation of a bar of uniform cross section produced under its own weight to the elongation produced by an external load equal to the weight of the bar is, there is 4 options, you have to choose the correct answer. So to calculate this answer, you have to know the elongation due to self weight. The formula is mile square by 2e, which can be also expressed by WL by 2AE, and elongation due to external load equal to self weight. The equation is WL by AE. If we go for the ratio of the two, then the answer will be 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the correct answer. So for question number question number 6, the correct answer is option B 1 by 2. Next question number 8. The slenderness ratio of lacing bar should not exceed option A 100, option B 180, option C 120, option D 145. So here the correct answer is option D 145. Next question number 9. Which of the following soils has more plasticity index? Option A sand, option B silty sand, option C silt, and option D clay. Always remember, clay has more plasticity index. So the correct answer is clay, option D. Next, question number 10. For drawing the isometric view of a three-dimensional object, the value of the angle with horizontal is usually, the isometric view is generally drawn in 120 degree. So the angle with the horizontal will be 180 minus 120 divided by 2. The answer will come 30 degree. So 30 degree is the correct answer, as there is no option. So yeah, you have to choose option B, none of this. Question number 11. The standard penetration resistance value obtained in a deep deposition of sand at a depth of 6 meter was 28. The unit weight of sand is 18 kilonewton per meter cube. What is the corrected value of number of blows for 1 watt and pressure? Okay, so to calculate this problem, you have to know that the corrected value of blow due to overburden pressure, the formula is capital N equals to small n into 350 divided by sigma plus 70. So where in our question small a is 28 and sigma is the gamma h, that is 18 into 6, 108 kilonewton per meter square. If you put this value in the formula, then we will get 28 into 350 divided by 108 plus 70. So the answer is n equals to 55. So the correct answer is option B, 55. Next, question number 12. Original cost of property minus depreciation is option A book value, option B market value, option C salvage value, option D scrap value. Which one is correct? Any guess? I hope all of you have done the correct answer. So here the correct answer is option A book value. If you minus the depreciation from original cost, you will get the book value. Next, question number 13. The purpose of an analytic lens in a tachometer is to increase magnification. Option B, make staff intercept proportional to its distance from tachometer. Option C, reduce effective length of telescope. Option D, eliminate multiplying constant. Here the correct answer is option B, make staff intercepts optional to its distance from tachometer. Next, question number 14. The center of gravity of trapezium of height h and parallel sides small a and small b measured from the side B is at a distance of, here the correct answer is option A, h by 3 into within bracket b plus 2a divided by b plus a. Next, question number 15. In Simpson's rule, the line joining the top of ordinates is assumed. Option A circular, option B straight, option C elliptical, option D parabolic. In Simpson's rule, it has been assumed that the top of the ordinates, if we join, then it will make a parabolic structure. So the correct answer is option D parabolic. Next, question number 16. The continuity equation is based on principle of conservation of mass. The correct answer is the option A, mass. So continuity equation is based on the principle of conservation of mass. Next, question number 17. Due to change in price level, a revised estimate is prepared if the sanction estimate exceeds. When the sanction estimate exceeds more than 5%, then a revised estimate is prepared. So the correct answer is option B, 5%. Next, question number 18. The ratio of lateral strain to linear strain is called. Here the correct answer is option B, Poisson's ratio. Next, question number 19. The maximum central deflection for a simply supported beam of length L loaded with uniformly distributed load omega is, here the correct answer is option C, 5 by 384 into omega L to the power 4 by EI. Next, question number 20. The partial safety factor for a material of bolts is, the partial safety factor for a material of bolts is always 1.25. So the correct answer is option C, 1.25. Next question number 21. Lime stabilization is very effective in treating option A sandy soil, option B plastic clay soil, option C silty soil, and option D non-plastic soil. The correct answer is option B plastic clay soil. Next question number 22. The unit of coefficient of consolidation is, the correct answer is option C, centimeter square per second. Next question number 23. A simply supported beam carries two concentrated loads W at distance L by 3 from either support. The value of maximum bending moment anywhere in the section will be. So to solve this problem, just look at this sketch. This sketch has been drawn with according to our problem. So at first, if we consider the equilibrium condition Ra plus Rb, that is reaction at A and reaction at B will be equal to W plus W, that is 2W. And if we take moment in respect of point A, that is summation of Ma equal will be 0. And if we put the value of all of this, then we will get the value of Rb equals to W. So the Ra will be 2W minus W from this equation. 2W minus W, that is W. Now, so we have to take the moment at middle point C. Middle point C, MC equals to RV into L by 3 plus L by 6 minus W into L by 6. If we calculate this, then the answer will come WL by 3. So the correct answer for question number 23 is option C, WL by 3. Next question number 24. In brick masonry for good bonding, here 4 options given. So the correct answer is option D, vertical joint in alternate courses should fall in plumb. Next question number 25. Allowable bearing pressure for a foundation depends upon. The correct answer is option A, allowable settlement only. Only allowable settlement. Next question number 26. Critical path is a network system. Critical path in a network system. Option A is always longest. Option B may be shortest. Option C is always shortest. Option D may be longest. So I think everyone knows this answer. Option A is the correct answer. That is critical path in a network system is always longest. Next question number 27. Compressibility of sandy soil is, the correct answer is option D, much less than that of clay soils. Next question number 28. The resultant of two forces P and Q is R. If Q is doubled, the new resultant is perpendicular to P, then here the correct answer will be Q equals to R. If you calculate the question, then the answer will be Q equals to R. Next question number 29. In lime soda process, there are 4 options what happened in the lime soda process. So I am telling you the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. In lime soda process, lime reduces carbonate hardness and soda as removes the non-carbonate hardness. So the correct answer is option D for question number 29. Next question number 30. A venturi meter is preferable to an orifice meter because the correct answer is energy loss is less. In venturi meter, the energy loss is less than that of an orifice meter. Next question number 31. The liquid binder obtained by blending a bituminous material with a volatile solvent is known as. Here the correct answer is option A, cutbacks. Next question number 32. In a barrage, the crest level is kept. Option A, low with large gates. Option B, high with no gates. Option C, high with large gates. Option D, low with no gates. The correct answer is option A, low with large gate. In barrage, the crest level is always kept in low with large gates. Next question number 33. This is very simple question. I hope everyone has done the correct answer. In septic tank, the decomposition of organic matter is done by, the correct answer is option C, anaerobic bacteria. So the correct answer option C, anaerobic bacteria. Next question number 34. The characteristics of fresh and septic sewage respectively are. The correct answer is alkaline, because the characteristics of fresh sewage is always alkaline, and when it becomes septic, then the characteristic is acidic. So the correct answer is option D, alkaline and acidic. Next question number 35. Undisturbed soil samples are required for option A, specific cavity test, option B, consolidation test, option C, hydrometer test, option D, sinkage limit test. The correct answer is option B, consolidation test. You can't test a consolidation test without a undisturbed sample. But with disturbed sample, you can test specific cavity test, hydrometer test, and sinkage limit test. So the correct answer is option B, consolidation test. Next question number 36. A circular beam of dia 200 mm is subjected to a shear force 30 kN. Then maximum shear stress in the section in Newton per millimeter square is. To answer this question, you have to remember this formula. Tau max, that is maximum shear stress, is equals to 4 by 3, that is 4 by 3 also 1.33, the value would come 1.33, 4 by 3 into tau average. So the maximum shear stress is average shear stress into 4 by 3. If we put the value where average shear stress, shear force by area, tau average equals to shear force by area. So shear force is the 30 kilonewton. So kilonewton we have converted it to Newton, multiplied by 1000 divided by area. If you calculate this, then the answer will come 4 by pi. So the correct answer is 4 by pi. Correct answer for 36 number question is option B, 4 by pi. Next question number 37. Determining points of strategic importance are called option A, traverse surveying, option B, topographic surveying, option C, military surveying, option D, city surveying. When you are determining the point of strategic importance, the surveying will be known as military surveying. So the correct answer is option C, military surveying. Next question number 38. The timber extracted from felled trees is classified based on the position of the tree as per IS 399 belongs to, where the correct answer is option B, rough timber. Next question number 39. A projecting stone which is usually provided to serve as support for joist is called, the correct answer is option C, corbel. Next question number 40. Slope at the end of a simply supported beam of span A with uniformly distributed load omega per unit length over the entire span is given by, the correct answer is option D, omega L cube by 24 EI. Next question number 41. Quicklime is option A, calcium carbonate, option B, none of these, option C, calcium oxide, option D, calcium hydroxide. The correct answer is option C, calcium oxide. Next question number 42. Overturning of vehicles on a curve can be avoided by using option A, transition curve, option B, reverse curve, option C, vertical curve, option D, compound curve. The correct answer is option A, transition curve. If you provide transition curve, then the overturning effect can be reduced. Question number 43. Reynolds number is defined as the correct answer is option B, ratio of inertia force to viscous force. So option B is the correct answer for question number 43. Next question number 44. Which of the following methods is most suitable for the determination of permeability of clay soil? For clay soil, if you want to determine the permeability, then you have to go with falling head method. So the correct answer is falling head method, option C. So option C is the correct answer for question number 44. Next 45. Next question number 45. If the shearing stress is 0 on two planes, then the angle between the two planes is, the correct answer is C, 90 degree. Next question number 46. Moving with simple harmonic motion, the maximum displacement of a body from its mean position is called, here the correct answer is option A, amplitude. Next question number 47. The correction of curvature for a distance of 100 meter is, to calculate this question, so you have to remember the formula. Correction of curvature is equals to 0.0785 d square, where the d is in kilometers. So if we put the value, the answer will come 0.0785 meter. So the correct answer is option C, 0.0785 meter. Next question, question number 48. The slump test of concrete is used to measure its, option A, consistency, option B, homogeneity, option C, tensile and compressive strength, option D, impact value. This is very simple question. Everyone know that the slump test is conducted mainly to know the workability, that is the consistency level of the concrete. So the correct answer is option A, consistency. Next question number 49. Glazing is used to make earthenware. The correct answer is option B, impervious. Next question number 50. Which of the following is not a major contribution to greenhouse effect? This is very simple question. The correct answer is option A, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is the correct answer. So option A is the correct answer for question number 50. That's all for this video. For remaining answer key, please watch my next video, and those who are yet to subscribe this channel, please subscribe as early as possible, and I will get back with the next video very quickly. Thank you.